Are we live? Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to be here looking at the stocks, seeing how they move, seeing if we see any good setups for good swing trades. If we don't see any good setups, we're not taking any trades. Simple as that. Should you have any questions or anything, we might go over them. Any fundamental questions? I think this is a great time to go over that. Dizzle, top of the morning. Happy to have you here. Appreciate you smashing that like button, family. Don't know where I'd be without you. Probably likeless, honestly. But thank you for stopping by this morning. Big time appreciate you, family. Shout out to the 13 people on the stream that haven't smashed a like. Hey, maybe come over to the light side. Smash that like. Lex, good morning. Corey, good morning. I know you got me, Thizzle. Hey, number 1, 2 days in a row. Hey, you're killing it this week. Hope the stocks are doing the same. Did I say good morning, Lex? Did I say good morning, Corey? I feel like sometimes I got short-term memory loss. Tom, good morning. Morning, Matt. We blessed with another day, another opportunity. Let's kill it. Nothing can stop us. Hey, 100%. Energy is everything, and that's great energy to start the day with. That's what we like to hear, Tom. Hey, top of the morning, Central Florida street glide. Oh, you gliding across some streets. Get them likes in, yes sir. D Scurv, good morning. Number 3, always liking, never lurking. Hey, 100%. Yeah, that's like, I don't think I've ever called D Scurv lurking. And if he was lurking, I wouldn't catch him because he was lurking. And I don't have the ability to do that. But, D Scurv always doing his thing. Tamika, good morning. Happy to have you here. Appreciate you liking and not just lurking. Shout out to the 8 people that smashed that like button. And shout out to the other 9 who are hopefully about to. Maybe. Since top of the morning, I average a like every morning. Hey, sometimes I think you're above a like every morning, since you're closer to 2 on the cool. Yeah, you got you're at like you're 2x on the likes, honestly. Big time appreciate you, sense. Frank, top of the morning. Grand Rising, everyone. Let's get this bread. Hey, let's get it. I'm going to be real. Starting out, like the day when I was looking at the ranges, I didn't see anything special. Actually, Palantir looks interesting. They're about to cross to the upside on the 4-hour. Actually, I kind of lied when I said I didn't see anything special. Okay, Palantir is about to cross on the upside. AMD is approaching this like little downward trend section. So if that breaks, that could come back and retest and then provide entry for upside. And then SoFi kind of going wild too. Here, let's see we'll pull SoFi up here. SoFi went up, hit 2016. Next level above that, if SoFi wants to continue this range, is actually like 2050. It's SoFi doing this thing. AMD Nvidia rebound day. I don't know. Hey, we'll see if Nvidia wants to break through this little. I might need to extend this on the cool. Let me extend this. This little thing right here. Little trend line. Get it going. See how they want to respond and keep things moving. Yeah, but possibly. It's like today, what I'm saying is like I know most of y'all weren't here from the watch list, little morning watch list, but like I was looking at it, I'm like, okay, we had that pullback yesterday. Also, those contracts hopped in. I think we took like $50 profit on yesterday. I had noticed they went up to like 300 and then they came back down. I was like, yeah, let me just snag it. But I think at the peak, of yesterday, those contracts actually went up to 400, but that was like after they went up and down and up and down, and I wasn't riding for that. I was just trying to get that clean move. But yesterday we did hit that target. We were targeting like this first dip down here. It actually came down and dipped like $1 past it. That's actually kind of wild and cool. But anyways, what I was saying about SPY is we pulled back, but we're still like kind of in that range where it's like you want to buy at support because we're still in the bullish range on the 4 hour. Like we do have support and resistance like this on the day, and the range is kind of weak. But so I personally am not too big a fan of playing this. I'd rather play down here, but this support right here still might be good. But I would want to wait a couple hours if I were going to do that. All right, let's see. Good point. I do like both accounts, don't I? Hey, 100%. Yeah, I'm saying be going crazy with the accounts. Crazy in a good way. Like a SoFi kind of going crazy. Here, let's slide this up on SoFi right here. All right. SoFi going crazy. I'm finna cash out big. Yeah, SoFi. Shoot, let me look at my portfolio. I hadn't even looked at my portfolio this morning. Let's see how my SoFi is liking this movement. What's in this book? Oh, hold up. I'm buying this in this portfolio? I was supposed to be buying this in my Roth. Yeah, I was like, why is this portfolio up like this? Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that to. Yeah, I gotta make some changes. My average cost on SoFi is like 13.53. That's cool. Here, let's see. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Natasha, good morning. Big Reg, good morning. Christine, good morning. All right, so I'm. If you did not hear what I just said about SPY, go back a couple minutes because I did talk about it for a good amount. George, good morning, and good morning. All right, I gotta fix this investment thing. I'm not trying to. I got like a little daily buy going in on Adobe, but it's going to the wrong account. So I gotta fix that. I thought I had that going into my Roth. Let's see. We're not making any moves the first 15 minutes for sure anyway, so we'll let the market do its thing. You said hood spiking again. I'm gonna need. Yo, these first 15 minutes go crazy, honestly. Wait, let me make sure I'm in the right account. Okay. Trade. No, buy. Every day. There we go. I think. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. That did I say good morning, Tom? Oh wait, I did. And D Scurv. Stan, good morning, good morning. All right, so SoFi, hey, it's still trying to go and push. Still trying to push the range. We're trying to see. Same Tesla is trying to do some pushing too. We'll see what's up. So Palantir looks interesting because Palantir is like kind of retesting. Like Palantir, they haven't crossed yet. They look like they're about to though. A little pullback on AMD. SoFi, ooh, still pushing this range. Still pushing. Okay. Still pushing on SoFi. We gotta give it till we gotta give it these first 15 minutes, see what's up. Chef Nick, what's up? Hey, let's get it. Spy has some upside to it. Hey, I think there's very well some possibility to that. Love to see it come fill in this gap though. Would love that. Honestly, I'd love to see it to come down to like 616 or so. That's like the bottom of its range, and then it's like okay, yeah, we'll probably go full port on some calls. Let's see. First time since very early. SoFi over. No, yeah, SoFi is over $20, and yeah, it has been a minute. Should I enter today or tomorrow? Whenever whatever you're looking at comes to your entry price, that's when you should enter. Hims is doing his thing as well. Where's Hims? I feel like everything likes to do its thing, like especially in the first 15 minutes. But I want to see who's running the marathon on the day, not just running the sprint. Let's see where Hims is though. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Yo. Okay. Hims up at 49. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I need to get out of that BBAI. Because BBAI is, yeah. It does not look like that's coming down. So, oh, this is one of those 10 or 5 cent increment movers. That's not wait. Oh, all right. I got a BBAI, but it was like 10 cents per share. Not too happy with that, but hey, it is what it is. I had a SoFi $20 call that expires on the 25th. Hey, that's good. That's good stuff right there, Big Rash. Yeah, this it's probably really working for you. Your patience has been rewarded. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's working. SoFi is pushing its range too, like for real, for real. Honestly, this was the kind of movement I was expecting to start the year on SoFi. Hood's up 3% too. Oh, I need to update the fact that I just exited that BPAI. My challenge trade has been looking kind of bad this week, so I might need to pause. Where and sell out of everything. Just Nuneg, good morning. I don't like them. Yeah, I don't like them either, especially when they're like cheap. That's not the move. All right, so we got the Qs kind of pushing down, making some lows. Let's see. Chase, good morning. Yeah, SoFi, not all time highs, but yeah, they're the highest they've been since, I don't know, like how long it's been since what? They're the highest they've been since 2021. So SoFi doing their thing. Yeah, looking back at it, there was a point you could grab SoFi for like $4. Look at it now. Look at it now. So I got out of that SPY put at about, I want to say it was like $51 profit. I had seen that it ran up to 100 and it was pulling back. I was like, hey, I can't let this go red. So I got out of like 50 profit. But I saw the put like after, like later in the day. It went like it topped out at like four something. But yeah, it made a little profit on it. I was like, I was kind of on the move and like running around doing a lot of stuff. So I was just happy to get out of it like not that long after the stream. I'm like, yeah, let me get out of this. I'm not trying to monitor this today. So yeah, it was good. I hope anyone else who took a similar trade made some good money with it too. It definitely looked like it was a roller coaster though. Oh no, I made $43 on it and got out at 251. Just yeah, I saw a bull was I didn't want to get anyone's hopes up, so I didn't say anything about bull, but I saw my contract on bull was it's not doing the worst right now. It's looking all right. All right, let's see. So I got 3 days to expiration. I think the contract I got yesterday expired tomorrow. So yeah, I got 3 days to expiration. I was not gonna mess around with the zero DTE because it's like they move it whenever they want. So it's like I don't know when they want to move it. All right, so we might come in early to fill this gap. That's what it's looking like to start the day off. Yeah, look at SoFi push. My goodness, hold up. What did SoFi up like 8%? SoFi goes on these runs. I would love for SoFi to like just continue pushing to all time highs, and then that'll be an easy short for me. It's like I don't feel like right now. It's like you see that SoFi's overbought and everything, but I don't necessarily feel comfortable shorting it. But if it runs to all time highs, like just after this, it's like yo, let's go. Natasha made like 100 on the SPY. Hey, you're very welcome. That was all you, but hey, you're very welcome. You made that trade. Ronica, good morning. Yeah, hopefully we find another one today. I'll look to use about that same budget today whenever something just becomes clear and obvious. Like there's always like this first move that we have right here. It's like, oh, we came to support in here, but it's like I would like to see a larger range if I'm gonna be doing that. Just sold out of SoFi up 165 per contract. Hey, that's great for that one you've been holding. Hey, my life be like, hey, top of the morning. Um, yes, I hope you did too. I kind of got sick, but no, it's all good now. All good now. Anella, good morning. Talk Nike on the rise. Here, let's see. Where's Nike at? Oh, Nike down to 75 right now. Hey, Nike still, hey, it's still nice with it though. It's in my better graces now. Oh, now here. First off, let me go on and do this real quick. Let me see. Wait, how do I? Oh yeah, I'm gonna see if I can. Wait, pre-roll ads. Ooh, okay. All right, I think I may have kind of gotten onto something. I think I may have discovered something new with the ads. If any of y'all receive an ad, please let me know because right now it looks like I found a setting that lets me choose when the ads go in. So I'm gonna just chill. We're gonna make all the ads that y'all get today, they're just gonna be from me because it's Prime Day. And it's like I don't get anything from these or it's like I get something but I don't get like it's like nothing from like streaming. So I found it. I'm like, yo, it looks like I have the ability to just drop ads on y'all whenever I want. So yeah, that's shouldn't be no issue. Got time on it, don't stress it. CoreWeave has some positive news though. Merger or about here, let's see. What's up with CoreWeave? Do I have them on my CoreWeave? They're at 155. Let's see how their movement's been going. Yeah, I'm waiting for their solid pullback. Fill up top of the morning. Good, beautiful green morning. I feel like I like my mornings blue, but actually, yeah, I like my mornings blue because yeah, my charts are blue and I like my skies blue. Unless it's like 1,000 degrees outside, I'll take them kind of gray. That's actually kind of refreshing sometimes in the summer. Ooh, here, let's see. Did I say good morning, Southern Magnolia? Good morning. Kind of thinking about puts on SPY today, just being patient. So here I'll share kind of my thing on the SPY. So me personally, I still see like we're in this range right here from well, this is based on the 4 hour, but from here we're like directly in the middle of this range, and like right here, I personally don't love anything, but since we're still like overall bullish on the SPY, odds are like the like they're more favored to it pushing up at support. So like on the 4 hour, we still have a supply zone here. We have liquidity here. So it's like I love the idea of playing upside if we can pull back here, but I don't necessarily love the idea of a short because it was like we kind of made a low and then we kind of like pulled back. And it's like for me, if we make a short, the move is going to be like the sweep of one of these kind of lows over here. That's just my take on it personally. SoFi attempting its first pullback. I'm watching SoFi on the 4 hour. Like until it breaks this range, until it stops doing blue candles on the 4 hour, I'm gonna let it do its thing. I kind of need to slow down to the 4 hour right now anyway. I've been getting a little too antsy on these time frames, or I think I'm kind of figuring out when it's better to for me to be on the 4 hour versus better for me to be on the 15. Like if we have a broader range, like if we have a morning where like we have good movement, like good volatility, and like it's like the range is nice, it's like I can drop down to the 15 because there's probably something adequate for a day trade. But whenever it's like, oh, we're still like stringing stuff along on the 4 hour, it's like, yo, I'm gonna probably have to back out for that. Uh, check out Iron. Do you? I mean, until the honestly, I feel like there may be some liquidity up here at this 1854 level potentially, like just the way it was made that, and you could reverse there, but honestly, it's in the uptrend. The trend can continue on until it's broken. So it's like, yeah, I would say go on. You said bull on the 4 hour for a call, or is here? I feel like on the 4 hour, it's like Weeble was looking good last time I saw it. Let's see. I mean, when I say it's looking good, it's like cross to the upside over here. It's below the 13 EMA, but it looks like it's found support at like kind of 12, like the 1250 area. But I don't know. I really have to see. Like it might be forming some sort of trend line, but yeah, right now it's like we got the higher highs and higher lows. So we'll just have to see if it continues on. All right. Here comes y'all's first ad. I'm not going to wait. Why is this? Hold up. Wait, what is? Oh, that's what's going on. All right, yeah, but here comes y'all's first ad. First ad is, yo, make sure to smash the like button. It's 100% free, and it really helps the family out. So, yo, smash that like or smash the like button. We got 79 people in the chat, and it's 100% free. All you gotta do is listen. I know that might be hard for some of you, but hey, all you gotta do, hey, take that little mouse, hover it over the little thumbs up button, the like button. Hey, click on it. Watch it do a little dance. All right, we're selling off a little bit more. Okay, so we're coming down a little bit, just a little bit. We're looking at the cues. All right, so we hold up. All right, so we got the range in right there. Let's come down to a 15 on the SPY. Ooh. Y'all, how would y'all feel if we started this like an hour later in the day? or maybe 2 hours later in the day. Cause it's like I look at this every day, or I look at kind of like when the trades are there. I feel like you can make quick money right at open, but that's not the way I trade. I feel like if there's gonna be something better found with me, it's like it's like, oh, maybe we wait till like, I don't know, like 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. No, not Eastern Standard. 10:30 Central Time. So 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. And it's like more of a midday, and we come on, get on a couple hours, and it's like, yo, we're in when it's like we've taken the time to see kind of the range and see where things are supposed to go, and it's like, oh, we can actually ride this thing, because it's like whenever the good stuff is supposed to happen, it's like I'm always going, because I'm like, oh yeah, I need to make sure I get my workout in. I need to make sure I do the work. But if I take care of that stuff beforehand, it's like, oh, I think it could actually lead to more money, because I'm actually here watching when I need to watch. All right, let's see. Randy, good morning, bro. What happened to the world's coldest water ads? So I think I did like two of those. So I did like two of those. I still have the bottle. I think it's at my parents' house on the cool. And but I think that was like the first company that like reached out to me for like a brand deal or whatever, and I felt so weird doing it. I just kind of stopped. I was like, yo, this doesn't fit. This is like not natural. So I just stopped. And I feel like now on the cool, if I were to do it right now, I'd be like, yo, this is good, but right now, or like at the time, that did not really fit with what I was doing. I like that idea. I agree. Market open trading really risky. My best trades have been 10. Okay. And when it matters, especially since we liked 4 hour anyway, I got two votes starting a little later. Agree early market's not a good idea. Do a poll. Okay. Yeah, we'll run a poll. Cause honestly, I feel like my day could be a lot better, and that would also, like, my content on the channel has been lacking, and it's like a lot of the times that I used to record the content was like at market open, and yeah, a lot of times I used to record was at market open, and it's like because I'm streaming at market open, I was like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna do this, like not gonna record this, so this stuff just doesn't get made. So now it's like, oh yeah, we can get stuff done and get better stuff in. So that's cool. All right, Letitia, good morning. Uh, Early market super volatile. Dust usually settles by 9:30. Yeah, I agree, this curve. I thought you were famous and had. Oh no, that would be nice, but nah. There were a lot of people. They were reaching out to everyone. Honestly, there was like even a girl on my wife's tennis team at the time that they had reached out to. What is your position on Tesla? Do you think it'll? Uh, so I like think it's coming back down, but I think right now it's just pulling back. Like I could see it pulling back up to about this 303 kind of area, but I'm really just want to see kind of what happens. Like I'm kind of bearish on it right now. I want to see how this trend continues, but we'll have to see. It's so tempting to grab the quick swings at market open, but it's hurt me more than helped. If I'm winning, I get greedy while I'm in profit and stay in too long. Better to wait until after 10. really the best trades I think are made 12 p.m. after. I've never understood it. Nah, yeah, it's like I have taken some wild ones at open before, but it's like when I'm consistently kind of doing my thing, it's in that range. I'm not even on the cool. I'm not even sure we're going to do a vote. It might just start happening later. Um, but I do want to take this time to ask if there is anybody who would not be for that, and I would like to potentially ask for reasoning, because it's like if there's like a solid reason not to, it's like, oh, yeah, maybe not, but yeah, it's like when it comes to actually getting to the money and when I actually see things, that might change them. Shift some things around. Give me a little bit more to a little bit more mornings. Just do it. Okay. Minimal theta head start on the day. No, yeah, that's kind of clean. Yeah, because honestly, when we come in, like first 15 minutes or so, and or we come in, it's like, yo, it's cool having the good mornings and everything, but there's also nothing like just jumping into it. All right, okay, well, I guess tomorrow might be starting at like 10:15 or 10:30. See how the day goes. All right, let's see. All right, so the queue's kind of moving down a little bit. Do you ever trade the close? So I don't trade close, and if I do, it's usually like I am looking for a swing. Like it's like in the last hour of the day. Like whenever I was in Europe, like mostly when I was in Portugal and I'd be traveling or whatever. It's like what I would do is I would just look for setups like towards the end of the day, and if they were there, actually I wouldn't even necessarily like fully look for setups. It's like I think the main ones I was trading were like it was mainly like SPY and mainly Tesla. There might have been a couple other ones, but most of what I was making the money off of was SPY and Tesla. And it's like I just had levels set, and that's like around like the last hour of the day, I would just kind of like check the range and see where it was accordingly to it, see if it hit any kind of alerts or anything. And if the alerts were hit, maybe let's say they got hit like around 12 or something. Because I set them on the 4 hour, I'm like, okay, it's entered this zone. Where is it at relatively to this zone? That's when I would like actually enter the swings and whatnot. But no, I don't typically. Doesn't I don't typically get in like that. Wait, what was that? Yeah, I don't typically yeah trade at the end of the day like that. let's see. Let's see. Just made 41 on a spy put. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, we definitely trade different time frames, Nunet, but hey, it's good that you're working yours for sure. Actually, about to get a cross on the downside. Actually, I do see like a little setup right here, kind of. So from here, we were kind of getting the lower lows and lower highs. Little liquidity set here, came up, swept it. I wouldn't have traded that, but I see it. I don't think I would have seen that beforehand though either. Do what works for you. Just choose a different session, 2 p.m. or 10 a.m. Yeah, I'd probably go 10 a.m. TSLL has been my best all-time trade, I think. Call in the late morning and put in the early afternoon, both close in the same day. That's clean. TSLL, like options wise, it doesn't do me favors. But the share wise, yeah, it does well for me. Azure, good morning. Thanks. Noticing some nice setups for the following day. No, yeah, that's usually the move right there. That's kind of my favorite thing to do. Trade on the 1 minute, but look for levels on the 5, 15. Hey, that's how you do it, doing that. Hey, as long as you're get it how you live it. Here, let's see. What am I still looking at? I was looking at Apple. Oh wait, hold up. I was looking at Apple and I was like, oh, this looks like it's about to come down. Where'd it go? And it's coming down. So Apple broke its range to the downside. It can still pull back, or it can still like go back up, but right now it's in a downtrend now. Bro, college investor, how's it going, man? Hey, it's going all right. All good. Feeling better today. Feel like I still might sound a little nasally, but I feel a lot better. Yeah, I'll probably get back to exercising and stuff today. We'll see. On the cool, y'all. I'm gonna try to go live after this on Amazon. I've never done it before, so we'll see how it is. But I hear you get a bag doing that on Prime Day, so I'm gonna try to do that too. All right, so SPY, we're coming in to close that gap. Oh. So it looks like we got the gap filled on the Qs. Once again, I said like around if we can come take out this low, yo, it might be something. Following the orb strategy though, we might have a we might get confirmation here. You might be able to hop in on that as well. Amazon going down gave me a good entry. All right, let's take a look at Amazon. Ooh. Here. Yeah, that's a nasty little sell-off. Oh, hold up. Let me see. Yeah, I think either 220 or like 219 or so. That might be something right there. Let's see. Yeah, this 225 or 220 25 area might be a little something. Let's see what that looks like on the 30. Yeah, it looks like there could be something right here on Amazon. I'd be interested to see if anything occurs here. Did I get that oregano oil? On the cool, no. Did not have time. I was thinking about it like all day though. But nah, did not have time yesterday. It's like I was like running everywhere. There was no downtime. I didn't get to bed till like on the cool. I think it may have been like 12:30. So on the cool, I'm like actually very very tired right now. Been trying to prioritize rest, but I've been having more like late nights than I would like, just like because of my wife and the stuff she's doing. So it's like I gotta. It's like it also is helpful to me, like achieving everything I'm trying to achieve. By like maybe it's like I like to get up at like 5 a.m., but it's like I also like to make sure I'm rested. So like the way things are looking like, I may have to sleep in a little later, like maybe sleep to like 7 or something. How I've been going to sleep. Usually trade XLF in the day. Always get small wins. Hey, it's like yo, if you have your thing that works for you, hey, that's solid right there. That is solid. Yup, 30%. Hey, Amazon pulling back. Hey, that's a good little move right there. Honestly, I wouldn't want to. I would like a solid pullback before we get into earnings. Yo, we got the PCE's kind of low right now. Is this like live? Hold up. The PCE opened the day at 4.46, and right now it's still kind of low at 0.5. That's the call to put ratio. That's like very low. Made 105 yesterday off SPX put. So I think I profited 43 off of it. I uh I wasn't like watching it that closely, but when I think I got an alert and then no. It was before I got the alert. If I had held until that alert went off, I would have had like a lot more profit. I think it would have been at least 100 or something, but nah, I had like looked at it again and it had gone up 100 something, and like it had come close to where the alert was and then kind of started moving away. I was like, oh, maybe it's going to stop there. So let me just cut out. But then it actually came and like hit that level and sold off a little bit more. Yahoo Finance said the head AI guy just went to Meta to work. What's Meta looking like? Meta's down a little bit on the day. But like Meta, I've been seeing memes about Meta paying people like 100 million like a year to like there. I've been seeing them recruiting people for 100 million a year. I don't know how legit that is, but I've been seeing stuff like that. Liquidity at that gap fill for hey for real. Hold up, I want to like. All right, actually, I'll look at it. I'll look at it off to the side over here. Let me just. Oop, slide this off. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, Sam Altman says Meta is offering $100 million to poach his employees. Okay, Mark Zuckerberg's Meta offered employees of rival OpenAI signing bonuses of $100 million to switch companies, according to OpenAI. They started making giant offers to a lot of people on our team. Like $100 million signings, bro. Wow. $100 million signing bonuses. Altman said Meta's attempts to poach his staff have failed, at least so far. None of our best people have decided to take them up on that. They said Meta declined to report on that, but I guess if they got that top dude, then hey, they're like, hey, $100 million, hey, $100 million signing bonus, bro, insanity. All right, so I really want to see what Amazon's going to do right here. It's already oversold. Or see if it gets there. Josh, good morning. Hope all is well. Hey, all is well over here. I hope all is well with you. Market's pulling back, missed doing puts, but because the market was trading up for so long, I'm still like I'm looking for calls. It's it's wild. Like for me, I feel like I spend like the majority of the time we're on stream like waiting for the setup. So I think this move is going to be good. We thinking puts again today for the SPY. I'm actually like hoping for calls, but if they confirm below this area, then yeah, there's a possibility to try to do it. Like maybe to ride to yesterday's lows, maybe to ride to this low down here, like 618 or so. Forgot he worked at Apple. Oh, he worked at Apple. Okay. That's insane, but sounds smart. Amazon long term. No, yeah, Amazon. Yeah, on the cool. This is a good time to scoop up some Amazon like calls for earnings and stuff. In my opinion, you think SoFi will today? I don't know. It got pretty close. Definitely got pretty close. Hold on, y'all. Time for your next sponsor segment. Um, right here we got. It appears this company is called Once Upon a Coconut. Uh, to those of you that aren't in Texas, we get these at a place called HEB. HEP or HEB Smacks. If you ever find yourself in Texas looking for a grocery store, not just trying to do that Walmart stuff, HEB. But yeah, this is the Once Upon a coconut water with like chocolate flavoring. Yo, this mess, it slaps. It's an ad, but it's not really an ad. I am not getting paid to talk about this, but I am legit a fan, like a mega fan of this like coconut water. Yeah, got like good electrolytes and stuff in it. All right, so here, let's see. They get support at that 620. So yeah, that's like that 620 supports like where the gap fill is. And then you got more at 619 and then more at 618. So it's like there are definitely like levels to it. I think that to me the easiest move is playing upside, but that's why I would want to wait. Exactly on the AMZN or AMZU for me with those Amazon leverage ETFs, I can't do options on them because the spreads on those, I it's like usually they eat a good, and it's like I'll get out with a little bit of profit, but it's like the spreads will eat so much of my profits. I have to spread will eat so much of my profits that I have to. I don't know. It's not as good as just like either trading the Amazon contracts or just buying the shares. SoFi will close below 20. I guess we'll see. I would love if SoFi just decided to go hit all time highs today. Like, I would love that. Y'all hear that? That's the sound of Once Upon a Coconut being open. I'm gonna let y'all know it smells delightful. Truly, though, if you've never tried this and you ever see it, I don't fully know how to describe it. I would actually almost call it like a kitty like chocolate milk, but without like it being too milky. I don't know. It's like really good. I'm not like I'm not like too crazy about milk. I was when I was a kid, but I'm not anymore. But this mess is good. So good. How much sugar is in it? Oh, on the cool. Let's see. Right. And make sure there's nothing too crazy going on. We are still below the trend line, but how much sugar? So this can is 10.8 fluid ounces. There are 160 calories in it. There are 3 grams of fat, 85 grams of sodium, 32 grams of carbs, 30 grams of sugars, and then the 13 grams are the added sugars. I think that's from the chocolate. But you got 20 grams or micrograms of calcium, 350 micrograms of potassium. I don't know. It says coconut water, coconut cream, which is meat, cane sugar, alkalized cocoa, coconut sugar, and it says, yeah, it's coconut. It just tastes good. Buddha Dab, good morning. All right, Amazon is approaching that level. Drinking a LaCroix on my way to work. LaCroix, to me, LaCroix are just good smelling drinks. That's all they are. It's like you may as well just be drinking like sparkling water, but it's like, yo, a drink with essence. It's like you don't taste anything, you just smell it. It's like I can get some sparkling water, I can put a lemon in front of my nose. I got LaCroix. But don't get me wrong, I'll still drink them, but no flavor. Olipop, hey, yeah, I like those, like those. Yeah, Olipop and Poppy. Don't drink soda anymore, so it fills on the gap. Bro, I think there was a point. I think I went like all of college without drinking soda. Here, let's see. I love sparkling water. Thank you. It's always lightly flavored. That's like, honestly, I can do sparkling water without, like, with no flavor. Yeah, I can do it. Have y'all ever had hydrogen water? I'll say it's not like too far off sparkling water, but you don't. It's not as carbonated. It's supposed to be like really good for you though. Yes, yeah, that's probably one of my favorite parts of kava. Yeah, anywhere that has like that good like Mexican, like I don't know, like Mexican cola and then Mexican like I don't know those kind of like those natural kind of flavor, kind of whatever. Yeah, those things kind of hit. All right, hey, we might. Well, actually, we wouldn't necessarily get confirmation here, but yeah, we're selling off, selling on down. If you're in a put, you can ride it on down. It's been about 5 years since I had a soda. Kava's a hey, I feel that 5 years. That's a while. It's like on the cool. I don't even like soda anymore. It's like the Olipop and the Poppy. I guess are they considered soda? I guess they might be. I do mess with those, but it's like I don't. They're not anything. I like those. They're not anything I crave, but they do actually taste like the soda. All right, so we're coming down some more. We're selling off right now. If you're riding puts, it's a good place to be. Honestly, on the cool, it looks like we have the energy and momentum to confirm down here. I'm gonna come down to a 5 minute. Yeah, if we're on the 5 minute, might be a little early, but this 5 minute candle would be confirmation if it closes where it is. But I would say, like looking at this, we will likely get a retest of like I don't know, this area that was support, which is now resistance. And it's like if you want to take a short there, you can. Like on the cool, we can probably watch list something. Here, I'm not gonna take the trade because I think there is still like an earlier move, but we can like watch list something for the spy once it gets a little closer at the right time, just to get a little hypothetical trade action going. I'll do it like I actually would trade. You say yes. I've had that hydrogen water. I have a glass bottle. I used to have one too. My only problem with the bottle that made the hydrogen water is that it kept leaking. But yeah, it was good. Like yeah, it was good stuff. I was a fan of it. I don't even think the leaking was that bad of a problem though. I think I just had to like screw the cap on a certain way. Everything down and Tesla. That's exactly, bro. D Scurv, you like, hey, same wavelength, for real, same wavelength. It's crazy. But you know what really would have made this coconut water like really hit is if it had some oregano oil. But there was no oregano oil. Well, actually, I didn't get around to looking for it. But now I feel like I'm at the point where I'm just like, maybe next time. But I definitely should have did the onion in my feet or on my feet thing. Should have done that day one just to kind of build up a case study. Oregano oil, that would have made you throw it out. Oh, you said it would have made me throw the drink out. I can tough it out even if it's disgusting. If it's only like 10 ounces, and if it's like, oh yeah, this is gonna make me better, I feel like I could tough it out. If you tell me I'll be able to do a backflip at the end of it, hey, I'll take it. I'm gonna come down to a 5 minute. AMD is not really doing anything today, even though I've been sitting here watching it all this time. See what Amazon is looking like. Based on that line you have on the Amazon chart. So are you talking about this red one? So this red line this is where it looked like there may have been liquidity on. Let's see. So on the 30-minute, I think on different time frames, it looks like there's liquidity like at this I think like about 2025 area or so. Yeah, like right there. It's like it just looks like there's liquidity there. But also looking at it on the cool, like on this time frame, there's also some liquidity right here. But this is a lower time frame. I don't know. I'm really just trying to see what happens here. Like even on the 1 hour, still appears to be liquidity here. Actually, now I'm looking at it though. This looks better. This area, so I was waiting for that, but this right here, this might be a sweep of liquidity actually, like I'm speaking right here, cuz I was looking down here. I'm going to delete that. It actually looks like, yeah, like if we look on the 15, we got a full range right here, and then we pull back and get our first low right here. And we haven't come back to sweep that. And it looks like we just came back to sweep that. So I would expect this to at least, so in the least, bring us back up to this 222.75. But there's a good chance of it bringing us up to 224. Here, so that might actually, I might actually go for that. Let's see. Let's see what I can find. That kind of falls in line with that. Oh, my Pfizer calls are doing all right. But let's see. What was I looking? Amazon. So if I'm looking for a $2 move on Amazon, let's see. Let's see what this week's looking like. Okay, let's see. Delta. Uh, what about that? It's not anything too crazy. So one, two. It'd be about $60, right? About 70 or 80. But on that, yeah, with that amount though, yeah, that's all right. All right, so just got an Amazon 225 call that expires this week. And paid 135 per share. Let's see. Just grabbed Amazon. What was it? Is it 135? Did I say 130? No. 225 call paid 135 per share. Expires, what was it, July 11th? There we go. Here, let's see if we can add it in here. So here we're actually going to go to all right. Oh dang, Spy came back up hard. Okay. Yeah, we'll see what comes of this Amazon. I'll add alerts or make sure the alerts are turned on at these levels. All right, let's see. I bet Derive has some calls out here. Let's see. I think my Derive ends at the end of this month or whatever. I stopped it. But let's see. I still have it right now. So let's see. I see. Well, it's a scalp. That's a call on gold. I was like, if there are calls on gold, there are usually puts on everything else, but it's a scalp. I see a put. It's a day trade, but I see a put on Nvidia. That was 16 minutes ago. Let's see how Nvidia is doing. Oh, look, AMD's up. I see a put on Nike. That seems like that's a position trade. I see calls on the SPY. Puts on the Q. I don't know. It's kind of like everything is kind of pointing in different directions. All right, Tesla is above this. I might have to cut out of my other chairs. All right, so I bet okay, 28 lurkers. Hit that like button. Hey family. Hey, smash the like button. Oh, there might be an ad that drops in if the likes don't get smashed. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I see. Hey, I see you coming through with a couple likes. Appreciate y'all, family. Okay, here's the AMD wake up. Hey, yeah, AMD is it's at that trend line. It's at that trend line. Let's see it. Tesla waking up too. Yeah, we'll have to see about Tesla. I would like it to stay at a certain level, but yeah, we'll have to see about the Tesla. I guess we'll just see about both of them. All right, so there was the little dip by on the SPY. Let me get a little bit more of a bird's eye view on that. Yeah, we came in, filled that gap. Yeah, buying that dip at 520 was a solid little move. I did not take it, but it's a solid little move. Uh, up up like $1 on the Amazon call. What a move! Yeah, for real. What a move! I think I just got advertised to on like WhatsApp. Okay, hold up. What a move! Headed to work driving. What I miss you anything? I grabbed a call on Amazon, like a 225 call that expires this week. Paid like 135 for it. It's up like 3 cents right now. I'm looking for Amazon to move maybe like another $2.50 or so. We'll see. But yeah, I guess since you kind of last said something, things have kind of they appear to have bottomed and they're pushing up a little bit right now. Tesla board must set ground rules for Musk's political ambitions, Wedbush says. I feel like the headlines for Tesla I've seen today are negative, but they're like doing like a little slow climb right now. Oh, you know what? Now that one of y'all said something about the Meta hire, I do see it on Ground News. I did get a notification at like 5 a.m. I just haven't. It's like I don't like look through all my notifications. So let's see. Okay, Meta has hired Roming Pang, Apple's head of foundation models, to join its new superintelligence team. Pang was offered a package worth tens of millions of dollars per year by Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who has been aggressively hiring AI talent. Hey, if anything, yo, good time to be a Meta, or a good time to make sure you have some ownership of Meta. I take it that along with calls and puts, you mean you buy actual shares to hold. I'm trying not to get caught up in the hype of fast trades. So most of the stuff that I do on stream, I am buying like the their options, but for like longer term stuff, it's like if there's anything you want to like ask about longer term, that's one thing. But like different swing trades, like if I were looking for a swing trade right now, I'm just gonna say, Sean, I haven't taken like any like swing trades right now. And I have like some swing trades that might be for a few days, or maybe like this Amazon might be one from today to tomorrow maybe, but I haven't taken any like good longer ones. Like if there are two longer term swing trades I'm in right now. One is going to be here. Let me bring it up. So one is going to be Pfizer. Right now, for me, this one seems like a good one for like getting shares and stuff, and also or getting shares as well as like just getting upside. I think I'm trying to ride it. Like I have a $30 call, but I think I could see it going like a good amount higher. Don't remember my exact analysis, but might have been like on a weekly chart or something. But yeah, it's like down here. So this is one I could see making a good move. Like I think I was saying at least like 34 if it doesn't want to like go and like get some catalyst to push it even higher. And then the other one is bull. This one right here. I'm hoping. I think this will be a really good one over time. But as of right now, shares might be a better move for that too. You said, dang, hood options got expensive. Yeah, I feel like they've been kind of pricey for a while to me. Do you have any long-term holds? Like stuff you plan to hold for 5, 10 years? I'm trying. Oh, yeah, I can tell you what I've got. Whoa, where did this rain come from? It's kind of like blue. It's raining hard. That's crazy. I didn't even realize it. But here, let's see. Yeah, I got some stuff I'm holding longer term. Let's see. All right, so the stuff I got for longer term. So the stuff I'm averaging into every day right now. I am averaging into AMD, SoFi. Um, I just started averaging into Adobe. So those are like my longer term like average-ins. I have some other ones that I own, but I'm not like averaging into them daily. But I see all those to be like amazing deals to like kind of average into. Well, I would say now SoFi is less of being as good of one to average into as the other ones. But yeah, I see right now AMD, I think it's amazing at these prices. Adobe amazing at these prices. Google amazing at these prices. Um, there's some other sales right there, but it's like those are like super mismatches with like probably at least I would say like Adobe probably at least a 2x, like at least 100% return. What was the other one I just said? Said Adobe, AMD. I would think probably at least 100% return too, just like in a few years. That's my thought. Then we got some other good stocks too, but yeah, bro, it's like raining hard, but I can like the sky is very light right now. I'm gonna have to see how long it's supposed to rain today. Oh, it's not even supposed to rain like that today. That's cool. All right, so I want to take this time to ask: have any of y'all gotten any ads today, or like if you got one right at the beginning of the stream, that shouldn't be a big deal. But like in the past hour, have you gotten an ad on this stream? But Hishu, good morning. Zero ads. Okay. All right, it's working. It's working. Okay, Amazon, what you doing here? What you doing? Might have to take an L on the Amazon. Let's see. Oh no, it's going for the other. It's okay. Amazon went for the other level. Let me just let me just see what's going on, cause Amazon is what is we're selling off hard. So here we're gonna let this candle close, but yeah, we're just Amazon is just, let me check news, cause yeah, that's a big candle right there. That seems like manipulation. This is what a sweep of liquidity would look like on this time frame. Let me just make sure there's no news. What is it? Webull. No, Moomoo. Too many trading apps. Yeah, that's looking like liquidity. But yeah, it looks like we would have got that entry I was looking for. That's crazy. And that contract came down a great amount. Yeah, I don't really see any real news. Yeah, I don't see anything kind of justifying what just that movement. All right, good. Hey, no ads, nope, none for me. No ads, no ads, no ads. Okay, appreciate that. Yeah, I'm just trying to do this as best as I can, so that helps. At least with the hey, appreciate you. Glad that helped, Sean. Natasha, nope. Okay, no ads. She's just a crazy. Yeah, that's what liquidity, like a sweep of liquidity, looks like. But we're selling down on the SPY, selling down on the Qs. So hey, got some volatility. We'll see. There was some negative Amazon news that came out. I am looking. I see that here. Let me change this back to an AMD. Derived did just put out a call on AMD. Yo, what's up with this Amazon candle? On the cool, I still think it's fine if it like holds up in this range. Let's see. Welcome, Christine. Amazon Prime spending down 14% to open Prime days. That's the news. I mean, I don't know. It's like I kind of look at it two ways. Um, it's like I don't know the way things are. It 100% makes sense for Prime spending to be down because like just with all of the like everybody getting laid off and also just all of the tariffs on everything, I would say it 100% lines up. But also, like one way that I'm kind of looking at this is there are things that I own and things that I may want to own or things that I know I am going to get that the prices, like the price was one thing and then the tariffs, like the tariffs can what was I going to say? The price of one thing. What was I going to say? Before, I don't know. It's like I have this camera right here. I got this camera for $700. This camera, like once we got the announcements of the tariffs and everything, this like combo for the camera I paid $700 for, this is now like $15 short of $1,000. So this camera that I have owned for well over a year now has gone up in value. It's like buying a car during COVID. It's like, yo, you buy something, you drive it, and the value's going up. Okay. Amazon selling off. Bro, what are the odds of that? I'm gonna have to wait to see what these candles are like, but yo, what are the odds of this Amazon doing this? But no, yeah, my thing is about like Amazon is like this is potentially like one of the last opportunities to get it like at a price that's not like insane. Like some things are below their tariff pricing, some things are back to their old pricing, and it's like I say there's like a little bit of fear of what the prices could be. All right, let's see. That is the news. Before you get off stream, can I shameless plug my online clothing store? I mean, yeah, go on. What is your online? I mean, no, depending on what kind. Hey, as long as it's appropriate, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's like if the family wants to support you, hey, let them. Hey, let them. It's just opportunity, but beyond that, if it's like some yeah, if it's like some non-safe for work stuff, I'll say nah. But I wouldn't expect you to have anything like that, so I would say yeah. Here, let's see. I think Amazon will get bought back up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Yeah, they're definitely like playing with it though. Oh, hold up. What was that? Oh, that was me. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. Like as long as we're still, like as long as we don't just like just lose all this right here, we're chilling. Cause this could be some like liquidity on the 4 hour. I'm gonna wait that one out though. You said Amazon dip opportunity. I would say potentially like it's definitely oversold on the 30. Let's check the 1 hour. Shoot, on the 1 hour, it might have to push down to 218. Who knows? But yeah, that's wow. That's quite the dip right there. Bye bye spy. This is exactly why coming in at 10:30. It's like yo, we still got like 30 minutes, and then it's like oh dang, look how much we sold off. Wow, if I were here earlier, that would have been a bad buy. LLY had a good run up. Maybe here. Let's see. Let's see. What is? Yeah. So they are at a level of resistance. It's not one I'm trading right now. No, the contract's probably crazy for this, but yeah, they're at a level of resistance. I feel like they can keep moving, but they are at a level of resistance. I'm gonna swap it back to the Amazon. Okay, Amazon trying. Okay, so Amazon, like when you look at it on the 4 hour, Amazon just pulled back to the 48 EMA. I would say this is the importance of like shifting through different time frames. On the cool, I might here, let's see. What am I holding? Let's see. Let's see where. No, we'll hold out on that. Yeah, I wish I would have realized that like half a second earlier or like half a minute earlier. I probably would have been able to like snipe one for the challenge account. But how low did it get? Let's see. Oh yeah, I would have been able to snipe for the challenge account, but it is what it is. Yeah, because I think that's probably gonna lead to a new high on Amazon on the cool. Represents what we're on here. Finances, stocks. Hey, that's what's up. Feel free to share it. You're not gonna be able to share the direct link, but if you share like what it's called, yeah, it's a little wild. AMD's kind of about to. They look like they're about to go for a break. Let me. Let's see. might be a little premature, but I grabbed like an AMD 155 call for next week. We'll just kind of give that time and let it do its thing. Let's see. $55. Was it 7 to 18? There we go. So yeah, let's let AMD break out, go crazy, push, do something. All right, Hood did the same thing. He's trying to bounce up to. Plan on. Oh, actually, I think so. I can. I bought some stuff already because I can see the deals. So it's like because I can see the deals, like some stuff has been on sale like all month, like at their Prime Day prices. So the stuff that I know is like, oh, this is already like kind of Prime Day prices and whatnot. I already kind of pulled the trigger on. But Herbert said, I'm glad I caught you again. Hey, happy to have you. Wait, why is this under review? Let me, real quick. I didn't, okay, let's see. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah, but it's like, yeah, we'll see. So, there's some things I'm looking at. If you check out the pinned link, those are the things that I thought were the best deals. Here, I'm gonna like look at it real quick. Let's see like what on here I recently just got, or let's see. So some of the stuff I already have. Like some of the stuff I recently just bought. Uh so there's like a little Bissell like kind of like extractor kind of thing. I got that. I have that in my car. Wait, hold up. Let me see what MSN say real quick. Bought the dip. 2:30 call expires. Oh, 2:30. I would say that's pushing. I'm looking for about a $4 move, so just keep that in mind. Or I was looking for a $2 move from where I got in, so keep that in mind. Like whenever you get to the target price, consider cutting out. It's like there's nothing wrong with getting further strikes, but like expecting to go all the way to that strike, or if it doesn't get there at a proper pace, you may not see any movement. I know this might be late, and thanks for allowing me to share. I figured it's Prime Day. I mean, you could be. So yeah, it's like Amazon Prime. Amazon's not the only place that has good sales. So I will say like if like for instance Amazon, Target, and Best Buy, I know they all have sales, and some Best Buys will match the price on Amazon if they have both. And I have the little membership at Best Buy where if you buy if you buy pretty much anything, you get like the protection plan on it. So it's like a lot of things I'll see on Amazon, I'll go to Best Buy and buy it. Just so I can have like the protection plan. And sometimes I can like take the product and like 2 years later, it's like if it breaks or anything, I can exchange it out for the newer version or get my money back. All right, I'm getting in on Hood. Did the same thing last week and made profit. Rinse and repeat. Let's see. Oh, Robinhood. Here, let's we'll swap out SoFi. Yeah, I think SoFi. I think we got the range on SoFi. So yeah, SoFi back at this like 1870 down to this 1840 level. That's a buy. But let's see. We said Hood. Yeah, so we got some support here at Hood at like 90. Then next is kind of like, I guess like just below 88. And it would be amazing to get a gap filled at 83. So I guess it just depends on where it kind of slows down. But yeah, Hood looks good. Can you look at TSLL for support and resistance? So I don't do TSLL for support and resistance. I can do Tesla because of the fact that TSLL is a decaying asset, it doesn't really work like that. So on the day, I mean Tesla is above resistance on the day. So we're kind of like past that. Tesla is at a current level of resistance right now. So yeah, if it gets above like 305, then it could continue up. Support's going to be about 300 from where it is, and then below that's going to be at like 295. Does Best Buy price match Amazon? So yeah, what's pretty cool about Best Buy is you can price match online now too. So it's like you can buy something, like for instance, this monitor I have. I think I paid like maybe like 350 when I bought it. But the price kept going on sale on Amazon. And like I think the monitor was like maybe like a $500 monitor, but it kept going on sale. I thought I got it for a good price at 350, and then I kept seeing lower prices. I think I price matched like 3 times on like with Amazon from Best Buy, just like online. And I got like I ended up paying like 280 for the monitor as opposed to like 500, or as opposed to like 350. What strategy are you using? Kind of depends. So like starting the day out, I'll look at the orb strategy, and then after the day kind of starts, I might go for like a sweep of liquidity. Might be more of like an institutional trading strategy. So yeah, to start the day, we'll start out like looking for a breakout strategy, and then like beyond that, it's like an institutional style. It just depends on what stock we're looking at the moment. All right, going back to, if y'all have any more questions, I'll answer those. But like going back to what else I got? Let's see. I didn't get these, but these like Samsung monitors on my list, bro, those are like steals. Like $100. Here, let's see. Those little Furbo dog cameras are kind of crazy too. Let's see. Oh, these little Philips Norelco one blade, these little intimate shavers, bro, like $23 for that. That's a steal. I recently bought one of those. I paid like 30, and they're actually really, really good shavers. Really, they're like really good. Let's see. We're chopping all over the place in the market. I'm about to. I think now is a good time with AMD just to take a look and see if there's any unusual activity on the stocks or on the options. I'm about to do a quick little unusual activity check. Where's AMD? Options, unusual activity. What's today? 8? There's nothing today. I don't really see any on it, if I'm being honest. All right. The only one I really like is getting Robinhood at support. Market too choppy. Looking at that $96 strike for this week. It has potential. Yeah, I'm gonna say it has potential. But I don't necessarily like love it. Like if Robinhood wants to pull back to 83, I might love it. But right here, it's like it kind of can do anything where it's at. But yeah, it's like until it kind of breaks this 90 level. Yeah, playing upside would be the move. Yeah, you want to stick with the trend. Oh yeah, I'm about to cop a new Garmin too. I don't even think I have the Garmin I was going to cop on here. I got some Garmins on here, but I don't see the one I wanted. But I'm about to cop one. Actually, I'm not sure I am. The Garmin I was gonna cop, I've seen better sell prices for. I might have to check Best Buy. Oh, so you got any good websites to know upcoming news within the so when you say upcoming news, so if you're trying to see like economic data being announced, Forex Factory, like just forexfactory.com will tell you what to expect. Like tomorrow we got FOMC meeting minutes and we have all this. But if you're trying to see like the headlines as they're kind of happening and whatnot, I would say like if you look at the news section on Moomoo, that's going to be like that's really good in my opinion. And it's free. It's really good for what it is. Yes, Hood at 83. Great buy. Oh, I didn't add my AMD call. Let me add that real quick. Just keep it there, kind of top of mind. Where was it? I think it was kind of far. I think it was like over here. There we go. Kind of out there. All right, what's the reasoning behind? So really, I'm just taking a chance. It's at this trend line right here. Honestly, it could sell off from here. I'm hoping for a break. That's all. It's not like the highest conviction, but taking a little chance. If we do get a break there, there's a chance for some good upside. So yeah, it's just a trend line break. Oh, I also just copped a Fire Stick like yesterday. Cause I got like a little projector, and I thought it had Wi-Fi, but it didn't have Wi-Fi. Stable coins unlikely to replace government issued currencies. ORCL is giving you a sell signal. Let's see. I mean, it seems like it would be a good area to sell. Like looking on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, there are a lot of sellers there. Honestly, we might be getting ready to do a little pullback. I wouldn't write it off. Just bought some stuff from Best Buy. I got YouTube Premium for free for 3 months. Hey, what'd you get from Best Buy? 3 months free of YouTube Premium. That's nice. I guess that's like what's it like, $12? $15? What is it? Oh, I get like 6 accounts for, I think I pay like $24 a month. Emmett, good morning. Bought Open Run Pro. Okay. I've tried those out. Yeah, I tried those out before. They're chill. They sound all right. I have like a knockoff pair that I decided to stay with. The real pair, they do sound better, but the knockoffs were like good enough. So I got like some knockoffs. They're probably like $20, the knockoffs. And I was like, I was like, for the way I'll be using these, I was like, we'll stick with these knockoffs. But oh, one thing I'll probably get is I have this beanbag chair. I can probably show y'all real quick. It's like right behind me on the floor. I've been wanting a second one for the. Actually, I may not be able to show y'all, but I have like this beanbag chair, and yo, it's I'm gonna have to check the price on that real quick. I've been wanting like a second one for like a couple months. It's like people will come over, and it's like I want to sit in it, but people be sitting in it. I want like two side by side to make it more like a couch. But I just bought one to start off with because I was like, oh, this is, I don't want to fully commit to two. Hood looks like it might have hit bottom, not too strong yet. Let's see. Yeah, we will really have to see. So we are selling off coming into Euro close. I do feel like we will find a little strength, but yeah, we are selling off coming into Euro close. Yeah, let me find this beanbag chair again. That's the only thing I've like been really, really wanting. Bro, did I pay that much for that? Oh, that's on sale. Bro, honestly, like just looking at Prime Day, I kind of just want to like buy and like return stuff. It's like I'll get a lot of money back from the prices I bought other things at. Buying things just to return them after trying. Oh no, that's not what I mean. Like oh no, so let's say so with Best Buy, once again with that membership I have, it's like you got 2 months to return stuff. Or like you got 2 months to return stuff. So let's say I buy going back to this camera, let's go to this monitor I have. So it's like I don't necessarily need to return it because Best Buy does this. But I kind of have to do it with Amazon, which is a little annoying. It's like I bought this monitor at $500 full price, and I'm like, I'm going to buy it here because I want this now, but I'm going to say the odds of a sale on this within the next 60 days is very high, so I'm going to end up getting my money back. So instead of spending $500, it's like I know the highest sale price I usually see is like $350. So it's like, okay, let me buy it for $500 so I have it now, and let me return it, or let me at least like bring my receipt back to get my refund, so that let me bring my receipt back to get my refund, so I can get that $150 back and I'm paying less for it. It's like with Amazon, sometimes it's like, oh, I want this. I don't like the price now, but you got like 30 days for Amazon. So it's like, let's say I bought the same monitor, and it's like, oh, yeah, I bought this for $500, but if I buy a second one and just return that second one in the place of the first one I bought, me buying that's $150 I just either made or got back. So it's like depending on what you're looking at, it can very well be worth it. It's like I'm not going to do it for like $10 or $20, but if you got like some items, like I see like some things like going back to that little list. I've seen some things on. Let me see what's the craziest sale I see. Let's see. I see like, hmm, bro. I see a sauna, right? There is a sauna that it's 44% off, and it's like bro, it's a sauna. It's $2,900 full price. Now it's on sale for 1644 or six, yeah, 1614. Bro, I'm returning that because that's over $1,000 right there. Even though I know it's going to be hard to return that, like it's not going to be easy. I'm gonna buy and return that just because I know that's money right there. And there's another monitor on here that would be like $600. So yeah, it's like certain situations it's very well worth it. What do you think about Netflix put? Well, honestly, with Netflix, I am not the one. I'm not the one to tell you anything on that. It's like I cannot like I my comprehension of Netflix. Let me. It's like I thought I kind of had it on a weekly, but Netflix is in a downtrend. But like just kind of looking at it, like right here on the 1 hour, it's like, oh yeah, you might want to get it when it's closer to the 48 on the one hour. Right now, I don't love it as much. I don't love the idea of getting it at breaking of lows, but actually, it is at an area of support. And just kind of looking at it on the 1 hour, if we did draw that support level, just had that in there. Let's see. See if we got a little break and retest action. So yeah, it's like if we kind of broke, if we like fail this retest, like if we don't get back above 1275, it might be go for a short. Y'all, I'm not sure if we'll be able to do it with the likes today, family. But also, I haven't really seen like I haven't seen that many people on today. I don't think I've seen over 100 people. So I have a special request for the lurkers. If you have not smashed the like button, hey, please smash the like button. I was like, if we're gonna pull this out, hey, we gotta. Hey, the time is now. Do what we can. But yeah, we haven't had the people here, so that might have to come into consideration. Okay, that's. Hey, we just got a weird little flip. Like it like jumped. Like we got less people watching that. Whoa, hold up. So we got more lurkers than I know. Oh, we got 79 people on, but we got 86 likers. Well, y'all Trenton, Trenton playing with me. Okay, Josh said the lurkers killing me. Yo, if there are any lurkers out there, you're definitely got me caught by surprise right now. I'm like, okay, oh dang, the lurkers just coming out from the yeah coming out from the shadows. Dang, smashing that like button. Dang, hey y'all just coming out of nowhere now right now. He said, nah, bro, just concentrating. Understandable. This is wow, bro. Y'all have y'all ever heard me say flabbergasted? Cause that's me right now. I'm flabbergasted. Where did y'all come from? Where did y'all come from? Y'all over here smashing that thing. Like what? Y'all were like hiding, bro. Y'all are like I don't want to call y'all a bunch of spiders, but y'all are like a bunch of spiders like creeping. Like I don't know, y'all like one of those trees that you put your hand on, you don't realize it's made up of a bunch of spiders, and there's a bunch of spiders that start running around. Bro, y'all just lurking. I didn't even know. Hey, hey, appreciate y'all. Wow. Asking you shall receive. Hey, preach. Wow. Yo, I think we got this now. Y'all just coming out of nowhere. Like crazy. Insane. And we did it. We did it without ads. Well, we haven't done it yet, but hey, without ads. And also, I want to take a moment to remind y'all tomorrow the stream will likely be starting at this time. We're gonna try to shift some things around. We'll see how things are whenever I kind of get to get more time to kind of think and kind of oh, get things done. We'll see. We'll see. I think it'll be a good shift because I feel like all the good stuff, the good setups and everything, kind of occur around this time. It's kind of crazy to think about. And it's like if we start at 10:30, go to like 12:30, 1. I feel like 1 p.m. is a good time. That's kind of cutting through lunch, but it's like, yo, we got that breakfast. That's cool. That's cool. And then it's like if we go at the end of lunch, it's like, yeah, it's like not right there in that middle of lunchtime when everyone is too many people on the roads. I don't like driving anyway. Yo, we're like right there. Yo, we got one more. That's crazy. Oh, we did it. We did it. That's crazy. I hadn't even seen more than 100 people on at a time today, but we had more than 100 coming through. I appreciate you, M-Sense. Hey, we did it. But, hey, appreciate you. Hey, possible good entry on Palantir right now. Let's see. Wait. Where are we at? See it on the 1 hour. Yeah, let's go to the 15. It looks like it's still teetering around the. I don't know. It might need to sweep this low it took first. I don't know. Cause we just got the cross on the 15. 15 doesn't matter as much, but here let me come to a lower time frame on Amazon too. Let's see. Yeah, we got it on Amazon too. We'll see. Let's go to the 30. What are we looking like? Oh, we got that 3 on Amazon. Let's check out. We got that 3 on Palantir too. I don't know. It's one of them days. Hey, but we done did the thing. We're free. We are free. Today y'all just showed me that anything is possible. Hey, for real. Anything's possible. All right, but time for the next ad of the day. I'm not gonna drop like an actual ad on y'all. I'm just gonna ask y'all if y'all think there is any possibility of y'all buying anything off Amazon in the next 24 hours. You don't need to buy anything off my list, but if you can click on the link in the pinned comment, don't even have to do anything with it. If you can just click on it and then click off, that helps to support me. If you do end up buying anything, potentially it does. But if not, hey, I actually think the click just helps in general. Here, I'll post a link again. It's the pinned comment, but oh wait, hold up. Let's see. Let me see. post that thing again. There we go. It's right there. I don't know why that little bubble bracket thing's there, but oh, I do know why that's there actually. Oh, hold up. What's going on? All right, so yeah, we're in an interesting spot right now. Very interesting spot. Done. Appreciate you, man. Pricey list. Oh yeah, don't feel the need to buy anything. Like honestly, when it comes down to the list, let me the only thing that I have here, let me see. Some of that stuff I may own, but the only thing that I have like recently bought, let's see. Oh yeah. I bought like one of the vacuums, but it was like it's like the one that's like $80. And like I bought the Fire Stick like just yesterday, just cause for my projector. But like most of this stuff, I was just looking at like the stuff that was the highest percentage off and whatnot. These look like the best deals if you're finding like looking for this stuff. And then like the DJI stuff, if you're a creator, yo, this stuff's real nice. The Samsung, like the Samsung Odyssey, like the 27 and the 24-inch monitors, those are nice with it too. And then all of the, yeah, pretty much all like the security cameras, they're solid. Those are things I would actually buy. And a lot of this I have owned in the past, but like you see stuff like this lawnmower. I've never owned a ride-on lawnmower. They're just good deals. SRFM did it again. Here, let's see. Yo, yo, yo. Hey, what's up, Lucky J? Hey, you too. Hey, happy you made it through. Hey, you see we hit the lights, man. Matt, what's up? I may get one of those monitors. Hey, don't say the price is right. So, I have a different Odyssey, and I have owned other Odysseys. Like I have like a 34-inch curved Odyssey. Honestly, I might let me see what it's going for. Let me see. No, I bought it off I bought it from Best Buy. It's on Amazon, but I bought it from Best Buy. I'm curious what it's going for though. Cause I definitely price matched Amazon to get my price. Oh, that's kind of a solid deal too. I mean, it's not the exact same. Here, I'm gonna add that to my. Can I add this to my list? I might have to. I might have to add that to my list. Wait, no. Ooh. Oh no. Okay. I was about to say. So the one I have. Okay, the original price is 400. Okay, but okay, so the one I have was originally 400, and I got it like for the price it is now. It's on sale for 280. I think that's like the best price for it. I'm gonna add these to the list too. Now that I'm looking at them, shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna say these are pretty clutch. Where we at? Yeah, Samsung definitely has some like fire deals. Hold up. Okay, where is it? Hello, everyone. I see the spy fell. Wait, hold on. We still gotta look at FRM real quick. Or is it SRFM? Is this it? Let me see real quick. Where we go? Yeah, that's wild. Let's go to a 4 hour. Yeah, that's Surf Air Mobility. What do they do? Is this like an actual? Oh, they're a strong buy. Operates electric aviation air. Okay. Let's see if we can like. I don't know. Set an alert at this 354 level. Maybe we'll pick up some shares if they come here. Okay, you said see the spy fell. Is it looking to come back? So I think it can. But I also for me I would like to see it at 3 or 618 before I like really try to look for it to come up personally. Going to Brazil for about 6 months and need a good laptop and large screen so I can trade from there. Do you need a large screen? Or do you, because there are some really good like portable monitors that like, bro, I think there's one like, it's like this MNN brand, like it's like a 15-inch portable monitor. It's like $60. Here, I'll add that to my list too, because it's like, yeah, that's actually on the cool. It's like this price like all the time, but yeah, there's some products that let me go in and adjust that because there are definitely some let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna add them real quick. Okay. Yeah, I gotta. I think they're there. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Micro Center also has some deals. I don't think I have one near me. I think the last time I was near a Micro Center was when I was in Colorado, to my knowledge. That's to my knowledge. All right. Amazon is doing a little bit better, a little bit, but still want to see it back above that 222. I want around 27-inch, larger one will fit in. Oh, 27. Okay. I mean, if you want a 27-inch, I'd like I got like so like my side monitor, I got like a 17-inch. Like it's vertical, but it's pretty. Actually, you know what? Let me check these out too, cause I got these. I got like a lot of little portable monitors. It's like the brand is like Arzopa. I got like two of them. I got one that's like 15.6 and the other one that's like or I guess 16 and 17-inch one. This one's like 17. I'm gonna add those too. So add that. I like those because the little kickstand in them. But it's like you can kind of like bring them everywhere. So I find them to be very clutch personally. Oh, that honestly I think these are a better deal than the ones I just added. Caught 28% on Microsoft. Oh, you said the larger one will not fit in luggage. I'm gonna be real, like those are gonna be kind of heavy though. The larger ones. I'm gonna say these like the small portable ones, like the 17-inch, the 16-inch. They're like extra light. I legit have one like everywhere I go. Like when I have my backpack, I at least have like the 16-inch with me, just in case I need to. You never know what happens. Need to bust it out and start I don't know, start doing something with the second screen on my laptop. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure I would just be able to travel with a big what is it? A big full on size laptop. Or not laptop, full on monitor because those I don't know because they're kind of heavy. I am planning to start moving to Brazil, and whatever I bring will stay there. Oh, that's cool. That's clean. What part of Brazil? It's like I feel like my perception of Brazil is like I don't know. It's like I've seen like clips of like I think Speed, uh, I show Speed whenever he went out there, and then I also like I feel like there were some Fast and Furious movies out there. Yeah, we got Spy rising up. I'd like to see Spy like go back to Resistance. That way, maybe Amazon can go up there. I'd like to see things kind of continue to rise. State of Rio de Janeiro. You can go to Portugal. They got the same little, they got the same statue out there in Portugal, out there in Lisbon. But yeah, it's probably not the same. Maybe one day. Yeah, we're trying to buy up a little bit. Let's go to a 15. All right, so Spy is above the 48 on the 15. Yeah, it's almost like I feel like what happened here is it's like we drew in enough puts with this, and they're like, oh yeah, we can push it back up now. I shop on I shop on Amazon quite often. Yes, that is 100% what happens there on the cool. Yeah, I usually have my family like whenever, yeah, they just have my link whenever they click on it. Or whenever they buy anything, they just click on it before. You don't have to buy anything on my store, but yeah, it does help. I think like the way it's been explained to me is like if you click on my link, assuming that you don't necessarily click on anybody else's, if there is anything that like offers commission, then it goes to I get like a little commission from it. Portugal is the number one for US expats as far as destinations. On Yeah, I would say it's like on the cool is ruining. I'm gonna be real, it's ruining Portugal a little bit. The prices of things are Bro, they're getting outrageous. It's like I'm like out there living. I'm like, yo, I don't know how the people who live here are doing this. It's like they need I would say they need the tourism, but when it comes to like living there long term, bro, I kind of like feel, I'm like, yo, we gotta, I don't know. It's like, it's bad. It's like bad, like bad, bad. I'm planning to retire. Wait, hold up. Let me, I'm planning to retire and my social security won't even pay rent here. That's where I'm from and my family is there. Hey, you said it won't pay rent here? Well, Rio is a big, big city though. That's like, yeah, that's like a destination. I feel like if you go out to like a different kind of area out there, you might be able to pay rent like that. But that's like, yo, you got this. You'll figure something out. All right, so SoFi is back below $20. Just calling that out. Let's SoFi, we got a lot of liquidity on SoFi right here. So a lot of sellers up here. So SoFi pushed up to like 2090, and like we're about to close out this candle. Hey, honestly, it doesn't even mean anything. Like we'll have to see. Like if this candle closes black, then that might be something. But if we still like end up in the green on the end of the day, yo, we might have some things to see. SoFi might not be done. Okay. Oh, you said it's ruining Panama in areas too. Nah, yeah, it's kind of bad. Like, it's like yeah, everyone wants to improve their situation, but it kind of sucks when it's like ruining others' situations too. It's like yo, I want to. It's like I might want more affordable rent. So it's like, oh yeah, instead of me paying like 2K, let me go somewhere where it's like 1,200. But maybe there's only so many places where it's 1,200, and they would rather take someone with better credit than somebody who can just afford 1,200. And then it's like, oh, you don't really have options, and it kind of sucks. And then you have all these nicer places that cost more money, but it's like, oh, you know what? We don't necessarily need all that. We're trying to save money and grow and stuff. When my lease is up, I'm probably moving. I don't want to move, but I'm gonna probably move. It's mostly because of the internet. I don't feel like I have enough control here. All right, so we're trying to push up a little bit. Spies pushing up. Accuses trying to push up. Palantir. Oh wait, Palantir's on the 30. Amazon and Palantir on the. Yeah, let's go to a 15. Oh, SoFi has like a straight like trend line going down actually. Here, let's see. Just there we go. If SoFi decides it wants to break this, yeah, hold up. Might be on to something, but until then, all right, where are we sitting at on the day? All right, so we're like looking at the votes. We said 9% break even, 55% green, 36% red. I'm gonna just say right now we are pretty darn close to break even though we're still technically green, but we're pretty darn close to break even. Get up off that thing, and that's you. Feel better. All right. Also, kind of thinking about it, it seems a little slow here, but I'm trying to think about like how it's gonna be tomorrow when we come in, and it's like, yo, let's see what we're looking like on the floor. Let's see. Get my little bird's eye view. Okay, so honestly, we're like kind of holding up on the 13 EMA. Like we had all this liquidity here. I feel like by coming in at this time, you miss some of the moves that end up just being liquidity. You miss out on some of the tricks. You don't get suckered as much. Yeah, it's like, oh, we are able to see, oh, we touched this 13 EMA or 48 EMA. Let's see, Palantir. Either I just heard James Brown or a praise break. What was a praise break? I don't know, but hey, I'll just say, sometimes you get like little things in your head. I don't know. It might have been James. I hear he's not too far away from here, so yeah, it might have been James. All right, SoFi in closed out in the green. We got another candle. We'll see where this one closes, but yo, with that being said, hey, that's gonna do it for today. Tomorrow we will be back probably about like 2 hours later than we normally will. You said that's when the church folks start running around the church. Really? Oh, okay. Yeah, it was. I think it was James. It was James. Nah, yeah. But yeah. With that being said, appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. Hey, uh, yo, y'all did y'all's thing with the likes today. That's crazy. Like that did not seem like it would be a thing, but y'all made it a thing. That's crazy. Um, yeah. With that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Like peace out. Let's see. What we got? Oh, we moving. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, Broke College Investor. Peace out, D Scourge. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, George. Peace out, Ronica. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Sharp AF. Congrats on the Microsoft. Peace out, Randy. Peace out, Marv. Uh, where we at? Peace out, Trenton. Peace out, Big Reg. I think we may have already said it. Peace out, Frank. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Mahichu. Peace out, Cheryl. We ain't selling. Peace out, Bro College and Investor. Peace out, Henry. Yo, y'all stay blessed. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Yeah. I hope y'all have a blessed day, and I look forward to seeing those of you that rolled through at our new trial time. Hopefully, oh, maybe there'll be some more energy. We'll see. We'll see. But yo, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.